So good morning everyone. So now today we are going to learn the comparing qualities. We are going to learn about the comparing qualities. Yes. Yes, so today we are going to learn the comparing qualities. आज हम लोग देखेंगे how to learn the comparing qualities about the heavy and light. Which comparing quality today we are going to learn? The heavy and the light. Okay, how to measure this heavy and light? आप अपने बच्चों को कैसे बता सकते हैं? How do you are going to teach your kids about the heavy and light? Take anything at your home, heavy object, and give it to your kids. Anything means any if his or her bag or any container which is full with the rice or whatever else, give to him or her and tell that how you are feeling. How you are feeling when you are lifting this jar or bag in your hand. आपको कैसे लग रहा है? मतलब आपको कुछ लग रहा है हेवी है, कुछ मतलब भरा भरा ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है? तो यस, द किड्स आर सेइंग यस इट्स टू हेवी, मुझे बहुत भारी भारी लग रहा है. सो देन यू कैन से सो दिस इज हेवी. हेवी क्या? भारी. हेवी मीन्स क्या? भारी. आप नहीं उठा पा रहे हो ना, you can't lift up that. So this is the heavy. This is the heavy. And second thing, give them the another any light object. Any light object so they can pick it up easily. Means whatever is pencil or a scale, anything, or else give the page of book and tell that how you can feel now. How you can feel now. Is it heavy? No, because you can easily you can lift up that ऑब्जेक्ट. आप इजीली उठा सकते हो. आपको हेवी नहीं लग रहा है, आप इजीली उठा सकते हो कि नहीं? आपको हेवी लगा कुछ भी? नहीं. आपको ऐसे लगा, आपको ऐसे लगा कि आप बहुत हेवी है, यू कांट. यस, यू कांट पिक अप दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. आपने बैग इजीली उठाया? आपने बैग इजीली उठाया है क्या? नहीं. सो आपने बैग नहीं इजीली उठाया, तो आपने पेज जो आपको दिया था वो आपने इजीली उठाया? यस. आपने इजीली उठाया कि नहीं? यस. सो लाइक दैट. सो हेवी मीन्स क्या? भरा हुआ. हेवी मीन्स भरा हुआ. एंड लाइट मीन्स, यस, लाइट मीन्स हल्का. लाइट मीन्स हल्का. हेवी मीन्स भारी, बहुत हेवी होता है ना, हेवी मतलब जड़. In the Marathi we call that jad. And light means halka. Light means halka. So see that two objects, these two pictures. See these two pictures. Okay, see these two pictures. So you can see here two monkeys are there. There are two monkeys in this picture. Two monkeys in the picture. And you can see here one monkey is feeling so, one monkey is having too much banana in his hand. One monkey is, and he is feeling so too sad because she cannot pick it up that, she cannot pick it up that much banana in his hand because it's too heavy. And see the other monkey. See this monkey. So this monkey is having only two banana in his hand. Only two bananas in his hand. So he can easily pick up that banana. So ये easily उठा पा रहा है. So is this is light and this is heavy because monkey is feeling too nervous and sad to lift up that bananas. वो monkey banana नहीं उठा पा रहा है. And see here this monkey is easily he can pick it up that bananas. So this is light and this is heavy. Next, show this. So see here is a rock. Here is a rock. Yes. So rock is a heavy object. Rock is a heavy object. The boy is getting nervous to pick up that stone. Boy is getting too nervous to pick up that stone. And this is what? This is the feather, quill. So this boy can easily pick up that quill. ये boy easily ये quill को उठा सकता है. So means this is a light object and this is the heavy object. The stone is a heavy object and the quill is a light object. Again I am repeating, the stone is a heavy object and the quill is a light object. Yes, the quill is a light object and the stone is a heavy object. Yes. Like that, you can show to your kids the pictures of heavy and light. See, again, see, the boy is having the boy is having the polythene with the full of objects. The boy is having polythene or anything bag is having full with the objects. So he can't push this bag. He can't push this bag. And look at this girl. She is having the empty box. She is having the empty box. So she can walk easily. She can walk easily because she doesn't have any heavy object in her hand. She doesn't have any heavy object in her hand. And this boy is having the heavy object. So he can't push this bag. So this is called heavy. So this is called heavy. And this is called a light. This is called a light because ये क्या है? We cannot push or pull or pick up easily. So this is called heavy. हम लोग कोई भी मतलब जो भरा हुआ रहता है, we can't pick up easily. हम लोग easily उठा सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. So this is called heavy and this is called light. Light means what? हल्का. See, the girl is having light object. Girl is having that light object. तो गर्ल ने लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट उठा इसलिए वो इजीली उठा पा रही है. वो she can easily she can pick up the object and the boy is feeling nervous to pick up that heavy bag. Yes. See next. You can tell to them about the heavy and light. You can give the example of Nobita. Nobita कैसा है? You can see the Nobita and other boy. What's that name? जियान. Yes, जियान. So जियान कैसा है? आपने देखा है जियान मोटू है. मैं जियान कैसे हुआ? He is a heavy. जियान is a heavy and नोबिता कैसे है? How is नोबिता? नोबिता को हम लोग इजीली उठा सकते हैं. यू कैन बी इजीली हम लोग उसको उठा सकते हैं बट हम लोग जियान को उठा सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. अगर दोनों यहाँ पे स्लाइड्स पे बैठ गए, यू कैन सी this boy because he is a heavy. So because of that, the slide goes down and this boy is light. Because of that, the slides go up. ये slide कैसे हुआ? Up हुआ. क्यों हुआ up? Because that boy is वो हल्का था. That's why ये क्या हुआ? Up हुआ. And ये boy कैसा है? Heavy है. Because of that, ये क्या हुआ? Down हुआ. Yes. Or else आप घर पे vegetables and all that things you are bringing, right? So give them the examples of give any piece or chili or anything light object, and then in the other hand give them the pumpkin or else any other heavy object, heavy vegetable, any other heavy object, vegetable, or else you can show them the watermelon also. Show them the watermelon and take one small fruit, any other small fruit, mango, chiku, or else banana, and show them and tell them, can you pick it up easily watermelon? क्या आप watermelon easily उठा सकते हो? नहीं. क्यों नहीं उठा सकते? Because it's a heavy object. It's a heavy object and there is a chiku or banana. Banana आपने कैसे फटाक से उठा लिया? Banana आपने easily उठा लिया. So banana is how? Banana is a light object. Banana is a light object, and the watermelon is a heavy object. Like that you can show the pumpkin. You can show them the pumpkin. Or else अभी तो आप नहीं लेके जा रहे, if any in case आप अगर अपने बच्चों को वेजिटेबल सेलर्स के पास लेके जा रहे हो, you can show them the objects also, or else give them for the 5 minutes, they can give easily. Tell them to pick up the pumpkin from the vegetable store shop, and tell them, can you easily pick up, can you easily that pumpkin. So बच्चा बोलेगा, so kid say, no mama, I can't pick up that, मैं नहीं उठा पा रहे हो. Then give them the piece, teapot or piece, and tell them, can you easily pick up that. So he's happily say, yes mama, I can. So like that you can tell to your kids that the pumpkin is a heavy object, pumpkin is a heavy object, and the piece is a light object, piece is a light object. Same about the animals also. So this is elephant. Kids know about the elephant. So how is elephant? Elephant कैसा है? Big है, yes. Big and motu, yes. So elephant is, yes, elephant is a heavy. Elephant is a heavy. क्यों heavy है? Because वो कैसा है? मोटू है. He is a motu, yes. And you can see here the mouse. He mouse. Mouse कैसा है? Mouse is a small. Mouse is a small. तो small हो तो mouse कैसे होगा? Yes, it's a light object. Mouse is a light object, and elephant is a, yes, it's a heavy animal, and mouse is a light animal. Like that, pumpkin is a heavy. Pumpkin is a heavy, and the piece is a light. Piece is a light. Yes. Yes, now you can draw any heavy object in the notebook, or else in the blank paper, any heavy object, or else you can draw the full of glass of milk, and draw the other side, draw the empty glass of milk, and tell to your kids that now you have to circle the full, the heavy object. Heavy object means what? Heavy कैसे पता चलेगा उसको? So tell that, see, there is a glass. You can tell to your kids, or else you can give the example like that. You can take a 2 glass of water. Take a 2 glass of water, and one you can throw it. 1 glass of water you can throw it and give it to the kids, and tell that, okay, now you can tell me, is this glass is empty? This glass is empty means what? Can you easily pick up that glass? So kids say, yes, I can easily pick up. मैं easily उठा पा रहा हूँ. So this is the light object. This is the light object. Then fill the glass with the water. Fill the glass with the water and give it to the kids. Feel that now you can easily pick up that glass. So kids said, no mama, no dada, I can't pick up that glass because it's now heavy. अभी ये कैसे हुआ है? Heavy हुआ है. पहले कैसा था? खाली था. तो कुछ भी उसको हम लोग वेट था क्या उसके अंदर? नहीं था. So वो क्या था? Light था. After that it was a heavy, and after that it was a light. Yes, also you can draw the pictures and tell to your kids that circle the heavy object. Circle the heavy object. आपको क्या करना है बच्चा? आपको इसमें से जो heavy object है, आपको क्या करना है? You have to find the heavy object from these pictures. You have to find the heavy object from these pictures. और आपको क्या करना है? You have to circle it. You have to circle it. आपको यहाँ पे heavy object ढूंढना है और उसके बाद क्या करना है? Circle करना है. So आप उस, you can sit, आप बच्चों के साथ बैठोगे, okay? So little bit confuse them. आपको क्या करना है? Confuse करना है. See, this is the quill. Quill is a heavy object ना. हम लोग quill को नहीं उठा पा रहे. Quill means क्या? Yes, feather of the birds. तो हम लोग उसको उठा पा रहे हो ना, इजीली हम लोग उठा पा रहे हैं. तो so this is light object. Is that? This is light object. You can see she is a cow. That is a cow. So can we pick up cow easily? क्या हम cow को उठा पा सकते हैं? क्या हम cow को उठा पा सकते हैं? So kids telling that. So mama dada, we can pick up that cow. हम लोग cow को नहीं उठा सकते हैं. हम काऊ को उठा सकते क्योंकि काऊ कैसा हेवी होता है, मोटा होता है, तो हम लोग नहीं उठा सकते. सो काऊ इज अ heavy object. Cow is a, yes, cow is a heavy object. Yes, cow is a heavy object. And the quill is a light object. Quill is a light object. Same about, you can give them the example of food also. Give them the example of food. See, there is a cake. There is a cake, and here is a lollipop. Here is a lollipop. Okay, now we can easily, can we pick up cake easily? हम लोग केक इजीली उठा सकते हैं क्या? आपको हेवी होता है ना उठाने के बाद, उसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग को वेट लिफ्ट करने के लिए हमको टाइम लगता है, हमको क्या होता है, थोड़ा पेन भी होता है, तो हम लोग केक नहीं उठा पाते इजीली. और नेक्स्ट इज अ लॉलीपॉप. लॉलीपॉप कैसे? लॉलीपॉप को हम लोग को बहुत ताकत लगाना पड़ता है ना उठाने के लिए. हाँ, तो लॉलीपॉप हम लोग इजीली नहीं उठा सकते. तो बच्चा खुद ही बोलेगा, नहीं मम्मा हम लोग लॉलीपॉप तो उठा सकते हैं, वी कैन पिक अप इजीली, बट we can't pick up the cake easily. So cake is a heavy object, and the lollipop is a light object. Lollipop is a light object. Also you can show the whatever object at your home. आपके घर पे जो भी object है, you can show them and define them the heavy and light object. Scissor तो सबके घर पे होता ही है. Everyone is having the scissor. Give them the scissor दो उसको, and tell to that, now can you tell me how is scissor, and give them the eraser or pencil, light object, any light object, and let them define that the is that scissor is heavy or a eraser or pencil is heavy. तो आप ऐसे मेजर करके भी उनको बता सकते हैं. यू कैन सी द सीजर के लिए मुझे क्या हो रहा है, थोड़ा पेन हो रहा है हाथ में. सी माई हैंड इज पेनिंग, बट फॉर द पेंसिल माई हैंड इज नॉट पेनिंग. तो मैं इजीली इस सीजर को उठा सकता हूँ क्या? नहीं, इस सीजर के लिए मुझे थोड़ा तकलीफ हो रहा है ना. माई हैंड इज पेनिंग. So that's why the scissor is a heavy object and the eraser or pencil is a light object. Yes, eraser or pencil is a light object. Yes, same here also. Also you can show the leaf. Take the leaf of tree. Take the leaf of any tree or plant and show to the kids. Show to the kids. आप क्या कर सकते हो? ट्री ले लीजिए. ट्री लीफ तो इजीली मिल जाते हैं. Okay, take the leaf and show to the kids. Now but just see this leaf. You can you pick it easily? Yes. Now see the tree. आपको ट्री दिखा है ब्राहट? ओके, नाउ टेल मी, कैन वी पिक अप इजीली ट्री? हम लोग ट्री को उठा सकते. और एल्स शो द प्लांट आल्सो. Plant is there at your home. Everyone is having plant. If doesn't have plant, they show the tree. And tell to your kids that now see the plant. Can we pick up easily? हम लोग plant को उठा सकते हैं क्या? देखो आप नहीं उठा सकते हैं. And the leaf we can easily pick up. So those tree is a heavy object and the leaf is a light object. Leaf is a light object. Same about the table and the plate. Table, show them the table. Show them the table and give them the plate. And tell them, okay now, चलो now आपको क्या करना है, इसमें से दोनों चीज मुझे उठा के दिखाओ. आपको क्या करना है, lift up both the things. So first वो लिफ्ट करेगा प्लेट को. सो नाउ टेल देम टू हाउ यू आर फीलिंग नाउ. इज इट हेवी? आपको हेवी लग रहा है क्या ये? तो बच्चा बोलेगा नहीं, मैं इजीली उठा पा रहा हूँ. देन गिव देम द, नाउ टेल देम टू नाउ पिक अप द टेबल. तो बच्चा यहाँ से वहां से उठाने का ट्राई करेगा, बट ही कांट इजीली पिक अप द टेबल. सो यू कैन टेल देम, सो नाउ आपने ये नहीं उठा पाया, तो मीन्स क्या है ये? द टेबल इज अ heavy object. Yes, table is a heavy object and plate is a, see, the plate is a light object. Yes, the plate is a light object. Yes. Now next show them the ketchup bottle. Everyone is having the ketchup bottle or the water bottle, and give them the balloon. Now tell them, can you pick up the easily ketchup bottle or else the water bottle? The kids say no, because इट्स टेक एनर्जी टू पिक अप, इसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा सा पुश करना पड़ रहा है, बट गिव देम द balloon, नाउ यू कैन इजीली पिक अप दैट balloon. So kids say yes, मैंने इजीली उठा पाया हूँ. So that's why the balloon is a light object. Balloon is a light object, and the ketchup bottle or the water bottle is heavy object. Like that, you can show to the kids any other object. Draw any heavy object, and in between that, draw the light object, and tell to your kids that circle the heavy or light object. Like that, you can teach your kids about the comparing quality heavy and light. Or else draw any pictures heavy object and light object. और आपको क्या करना है, चलो नाउ किड्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको क्या करना है, इसमें जो हेवी पिक्चर्स है, जो हेवी ऑब्जेक्ट है, जो हेवी आपको लगता है वो हेवी हो सकता है, तो आपको क्या करना है, उसको कलर करना है. ड्रॉ द एलिफेंट और एल्स ड्रॉ द फुल बकेट ऑफ वाटर, फुल ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क or juice, anything the heavy object. And light, for the light you can draw the pencil, eraser, scissor, leaf, and tell them to, now first आपको क्या करना है, color the heavy object, or else give them the two colors. For better understanding, give them the two colors, and tell that okay, now you have to color the green to the heavy object. आपको क्या करना है, जो green color है वो heavy object को देना है. Then take them the red color, give them the red color, and tell that now you have to color the light object with the red color. Yes, which color? Red color. आप ऐसे बच्चों को देके उनको comparing quality about heavy and light आप बच्चों को समझा सकते हो. और एस ड्रॉ द ऑब्जेक्ट, आप ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ कीजिए, नीचे बच्चों को बॉक्स निकाल के दीजिए, एंड टेल देम आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू, आपको क्या करना है, ऐसे राइट टिक करना है हेवी ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए, एंड क्रॉस टिक करना है लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए. ऐसे आप बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स निकाल के नीचे बॉक्स देके आप बच्चों को ये भी एक्टिविटी आप करवा सकते हो. और एल्स आप क्या करो, बहुत सारा घर में जो हेवी हेवी ऑब्जेक्ट है वो एक साथ रख दो, एंड इन बिटवीन दैट आपको क्या करना है, लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी रखना है. और आपको क्या करना है, चलो ना आपको क्या करना है, चलो आपको इसमें से जो हेवी हेवी है, चलो मुझे फटाफट हेवी हेवी ऑब्जेक्ट पिकअप करके लाके दो मुझे, तो वो होगा हेवी, उनको कंसेप्ट क्लियर होगा. देन अभी अपने उन्होंने हेवी कर लिया, तो आप अभी बोल दो चलो आपने हेवी सब उठा लिया, अभी आपको वहां पे क्या दिख रहा है, बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, लेकिन आप उनको इजीली उठा पा रहे हो कि नहीं, आपको हेवी उठाने के लिए तकलीफ हुआ. अभी अभी मुझे आप जो बाकी के ऑब्जेक्ट है उठा के लाके दो, तो बच्चा क्या हो गया, इजीली वो एक एक करके आपको पिकअप करके देगा, तो उसका गेम फन वे में भी वो सीख भी जाएगा, और आपको ज्यादा ये भी नहीं होगा, तकलीफ भी नहीं होगा उसको पढ़ाने के लिए. So like that you can tell to your kids about the heavy and light object. Yes. So thank you parents for the precious time given to us.